Hey there, the brand sent over this pet water fountain for me to test and try out, so let's see what comes in the box, how to put it together, and what my dog thinks. So let's look at what's in the box. Part of the fountain, as well as the instruction manual. Everything is packed really well. You've got the bottom portion of the fountain itself, along with this bag that is full of things like the pump and the electric cord for it, as well as the part where the filter goes and all of those pieces. For assembly, the silicone pipe goes over the pump. Your filter goes in here. This then goes on here. The top of the fountain sits on top of this, and then the entire thing will go into here. You'll want to make sure that the pump is situated like this is here, because there's an indicator light on the bottom that will turn from blue to red when the water is low. There's a place here for your pump cord to come out of. Finally, the faucet part goes on the top. Let's get this plugged in. So at first he wasn't too sure about the water fountain. It's just not something he's used to, but after a while he was just fine with it. I really like how easy it was to put together and get started. The instruction manual is well written, and I like how it tells me how to clean the pump when needed. The extra filter allows me some time before I have to get some new ones. This holds plenty of water, and it's easy to see when more water is needed. So far, I think this is a great product. Guys, I hope this helps you decide on if this is a good product for your pet.